You're about to review on-the-fly customization within Full Note Composer. So we keep talking about how there are no templates within the Allscripts MyWay product. What that means to the doctor is now there isn't another application called Template Builder or another program that they have to open to make these changes. That can be very cumbersome, and we know that a doctor needs to spend all of their time seeing patients and making money. They're not going to make any money just by customizing templates. Within this system, since there are no templates, a provider has the ability to make a change on the fly, a customization on the fly. And what's nice about that is there's always going to be times when the patient has something very specific that we might need to add in there. We can always add in free text and just type whatever we want to, but if it's something that would be used over and over again, we actually want to put it in our content to reduce that typing and reduce the overall keystrokes. Just an example, if we say a patient's coming in for headache, but we'll say that the quality's stable. Well, we don't really see stable in this quality list. So if we want to add that in here, we can actually choose the hyperlink right above the content. And you'll see here's a list of everything that we have. We can modify the names. What I want to do is I want to hit my new button, and we're going to create a new one on the fly. All we're going to do is we're going to name it stable. Here's where we can actually choose our OK button. Now it actually puts the information in there. And now we can close it. And once we go right back up here, here's where we can see our stable right up at the top. So we can add that in there. So it's very easy to make the add on the fly. One other point that I want to make is if you do have multiple providers in here, if you notice down at the bottom, you do have the ability to make an ad for the whole practice, for just a group of doctors, or just for an individual provider. So the nice thing is, and you see that I actually got a message saying that I don't have permission, some providers, we wouldn't want to give them access to make it change just to our level. We want to just give them maybe the ability to make a change just to themselves, but not to a whole group of doctors. So all of that security can be done and set during the file build, and it is user specific.